Hello guys, today we learn how to use partial view in ASP.NET Core Azure pages with Visual Studio 2022. To implement this, you will require Visual Studio 2022. Let us understand what is partial view. A partial view is a reusable component or fragment of HTML and Azure code that can be embedded in one or more Azure pages. It is helpful for breaking down complex pages into smaller, manageable, and reusable sections. It is like user controls, but in partial view, they have no .cs code. You can achieve more functionality through the injected methods. Now, what is purpose of partial view? Reuse, avoid code duplications, like you can put like forms, header or footers in you can use. Separation of content, keep the layout clean and modular. Maintainability, easier to update, share content in one places. And how can you use it? Simply we need to write, as you know, that is underscore header, that is partial view name, and where I can use through the at the rate of await Html.PartialAsync headers. So that way we can call the partial view. Now how can implement? Let us see. First open Visual Studio 2022. Create a new project. You can see here template, like you can choose it. ASP.NET Core Web Azure page. Now click on next. Then after that you need to write a project name. So you can write like partial view in ASP. Now click on next. Then after that you can see here your framework like .NET 8.0 long-term support, and there is a configuration, some configuration setting you can see here. Now click on create. Now you can see your project will be created with the name of partial view ASP.NET Core and have a different folders. You can see in pages, like already you have a made which can be created automatically, like indexes. In shared you can see there is a layout.html, and also you can see that is a headers, you can see here. So this header you can be making a like a partial view. So how can you make it partial view? First you will go share folders, then click on write, add new item. Then here you can see that Azure view and Azure pages. So you need to select Azure view, and for the partial always you use underscore for recognition, underscore, and you can put here headers. And now click on the add button. So when you go on header.html, so your partial view will be created in the name of underscore header.html, and here is a code. So you can also remove this and go to layout.html pages and copy whole portions, that is header part, and you can put in like underscore in partial view. After that you have created the partial view. Now I have to use in layout.html page. So what you will write? Simply we write like at the rate of await, like await Html.PartialAsync, and that is headers. Now run this application. So here you can see that your partial view, that is header, will be shown as when, like in headers, if you remove this line, so that portion will be blank. Now write it again. You have added the header, but there is no content in header part. So you can see here that your header part will be removed. Now again Control Z, and your header part will be appear like here. Now run it again. So you can see now your header part will be visible. So that's way we can use the partial view in ASP.NET Core Razor pages in the editor Visual Studio 2022. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.